Face masks are not a fashion accessory, but people are making their most creative DIY face mask designs for work and personal use, proving that they can be as stylish as any other accessory. But before you continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Pro8432Wt is the first digital printer range that offers users the ability to print using white toner. The digital laser transfer delivers a stunning level of opacity, high quality on garment design, printing deep solid white on colored media or just the standard CMY colors. You'll be able to print multiple designs in just one A4 media, depends on the size of your design. Place the A sheet in the middle of the lower plate and place the coated side of the B paper on top of the A paper. Press it with ELI 600. This manual heat press is an industrial grade and easy to handle swing-away machine. Press with PLD 150. This swing-away heat press requires less maintenance. The upper heating platen features double Teflon coating, castidine heating resistance, and milled-in aluminum to provide the uniplaten pressure over the entire platen area. PLD 150 is indicated for small formats and is designed with a swing-away system that requires less physical strain from the operator and makes it extremely practical. This equipment allows for dressing the garment on the lower plate. People are looking for aesthetically pleasing face masks nowadays. Start your face mask production with OKI PRO8432Wt. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at www.texgraph.com.